आपका रिकॉर्डिंग का पड़ा नहीं ना? रिकॉर्डिंग है। Join fast, join fast. Join fast. Listen my voice, everyone. Listen my voice. Everyone, listen my voice. Listen my voice. मूड पे नहीं ना, मूड पे नहीं ना। रिकॉर्डिंग होता है ना? Good afternoon, sir. Okay, listen my voice, Nama. Rani, listen my voice.
Listen, sir.
Okay. Mood. Okay, I am going to start. Into mark. Admit all mark, into mark. Go to go. Okay, see. Last class, what you have to discuss the 7th problem, 2 bits is completed. Now today I go through the 3rd bit. Everyone see the 3rd bit is 7th problem, 3rd bit. Everyone see 7th problem, 3rd bit. So what is the 3rd bit is? Derivative, find the A and B are constant, find the derivative of. So derivative symbol is the d by dx. So derivative of means d of bracket x minus a by x minus b, x minus a by x minus b. Is it clear? So do with the least x. So now adding any number, subtracting means x minus a is not a least number. It is the greatest number. Okay, na? So it is the greatest number. Everyone see. It is the greatest number. Everyone. So now I am doing the u by v formula. What is the u by v formula is? Everyone observe. U by v formula is. So what is the u by v formula? One time see in our. So u by v formula is. So x minus b. U by v formula is. Everyone see u by v formula. 1 minute. Right. U by v formula is. So x first denominator square write out. So x minus b whole square, denominator square. So now write down the denominator is the silent. Denominator is the silent. Therefore x minus b is the silent. X minus b is the silent. Next one, derivative of. So x minus a, u derivative. Next, u is silent. X minus a is silent. So derivative of denominator, d by dx of x minus b. D by dx of x minus b. Okay, na? So now, what is the derivative is? I am going to write derivative. Everyone see. I am writing the derivative. Everyone observe. So this is the derivative of. So x minus b is the silent. Separate the derivatives. separate the derivative, d by dx by dx, dx by dx minus derivative of a by x. Okay, na? So next one is minus x minus a term. Next one is separate the derivatives, plus minus derivative will be separated, dx by dx minus, okay na, minus derivative of b, with the least x by denominator is, what is the denominator, CM everyone? So denominator is, so everyone,
X minus B whole square.
denominator is x minus b whole square, x minus b whole square. Okay na? Clear everyone? So x minus b into bracket dx is cancel, is cancel, value is 1, the a is the constant, its value is 0, therefore 1 minus 0 minus x minus a, dx is cancel, dx is cancel, everyone, dx is cancel. Okay, dx is cancel. So everyone see, here is a 1 minus constant b derivative is 0, minus constant derivative is 0, right? Constant derivative is 0, b constant derivative is a 0, by denominator is x minus b whole square. Okay, na? Right. Now multiply. So x minus b into 1 is the x minus b. Okay, na? So x minus a into 1 is the x minus a. Okay, na? X minus 1 into the x minus a. Everyone see, x minus a. Next, I am go through the minus of x minus a, by denominator is the x minus b whole square, x minus b whole square. Okay, na? Now by the multiplication of minus x should be cancelled. What is the remaining is b, minus is the minus b, and minus is the plus a, by denominator is the x minus b whole square, x minus b whole square. Now the answer is a minus b by x minus b whole square. That is the third bit is completed. Okay, na? Third bit is completed. Right. Now I go through the clear now everyone. So third bit is clear now everyone. So charting also I am seeing one time.
Clear, sir.
Clear na? Right. Right.
Clear, sir.
Okay, okay. Okay. Next, I go the sixth problem is pending now. So I am going to do the sixth problem. First, I am going to rub all the matter. Everyone see the test book in sixth problem. Right. See the sixth problem, everyone. See everyone, sixth problem is, what is the given sixth problem? See everyone. So one time reading this, find the derivative of x power of n, a plus x power of n minus 1, a square into x power of n minus 2, and up to a power of n minus 1 into x plus a power of n for some fixed values of real numbers a. A is the constant is given. So given that a is the fixed value, given that a is the fixed value, therefore, fixed value means constant. Given that A is constant, A is constant. Given that A is constant. Next one, derivative of is given. What is the given is the derivative of? So derivative of means bracket x power of n minus 1, x power of n, x power of n plus a into x power of n minus 1 plus a square into x power of n minus 2, x power of n minus 2 plus dotted plus a power of n minus 1 into x plus what is the given is a power of n, a power of n, right? Do with the least x, okay na? So now everyone see, derivative plus minus means separated, derivative of x power of n, do with the small x by the separation, plus a is the coefficient outside, derivative of x power of n minus 1, do with the small x, plus a square is the coefficient, derivative of x power of n minus 2, do with small x, plus dotted plus a power of n minus 1 is the coefficient, derivative of small x with small x, and derivative of a power of n. So a is a constant. Now sometimes it will become as a coefficient. X power of n formula is n into x power of n minus 1. A is the coefficient. X power of n minus 1 formula is n minus 1 into x power of n minus 1. A square is the coefficient. X power of n minus power should come before, and power is decreased by 1. So n minus 2 minus 1, n minus 2 minus 1 plus dotted plus a power of n minus 1, a power of n minus 1 into dx is cancelled. So dx is cancelled. A power of n constant derivative is 0. A power of n constant derivative is 0. Sir, not understanding, sir. Rani, where your first step not get, sir. Sir, new page. Okay. Rani, see where we are not understanding, see. So where we are not understanding, see. First step is the, what is the sixth problem? See, derivative of the total is given. So derivative of means, okay na? Derivative of means, what is the meaning of bracket? Okay na? First step not got, sir. Okay. First step is the, what is the derivative of required derivative of the given function x power of n, a into x power of n minus 1. A is a constant, he is telling. So why, how it is? For a fixed value of real value number of a is a real number means constant na. Real number is a constant. Next derivative symbol I will write. I will write derivative symbol. Okay na? So new page. Next one. Last problem, sir. Last problem I will send recording one time. You can see. Okay na? Right. N into x power of n minus 1. Last problem, sir. Sir, last. Yes, the third problem is the u by v formula na. U by v formula. One time I will send. Sir, last problem, sir. Last problem, I will send a recording one time. You can see once again. I will tell now. After completion, this one, once again, I'm telling last problem. Okay, na? Right. So here is n into x power of n minus 1, n into x power of n minus 1 plus a into n minus 1 into x power of n minus 2 plus a square into n minus 2. This is the n minus 2 into x power of n minus 3 dotted a power of n minus 1 is the answer. Sixth problem is clear, Nama, everyone. We are asking the seventh third bit na. We are asking the, once again I am telling seventh third bit. Once again I am telling everyone, see. This is the clear na, everyone. Right. I go through the second. Not this problem. Yes, I understand. Okay. So last problem did not get. Once again, I am explaining the last problem, seventh third bit. Once again, I am explaining. Wait. All right. See everyone. Right. See seventh third bit. Once again, everyone listen. Seventh third bit. Once again, seventh third bit. We can listen. Seventh third bit. Seventh third bit. Once again, listen everyone. What is the third bit is? See the for some constants a and b. First see the textbook. For some constants a and b, find the derivative of a and b are constants. Find the derivative of d symbol of means bracket x minus a by x minus b is the function. Okay, na? With respect to x. One time see the formula. What is the formula? Is derivative of u by v. Derivative of u by v formula. What is the formula? Is v square. What is the formula? Is v square. Okay, na? V is silent. U dash mean derivative of u minus u silent. V dash means derivative of v. That is the formula of u by v. I am applying here, everyone. First write down the denominator square. First write down the denominator square. X minus b whole square. Okay, na? X minus b whole square. Sir, did not arise. Take new side. Array, don't give the suggestion. I know. So x minus b. Okay, na? X minus b. So next one is derivative of. So derivative of x minus a with respect to dx. Okay, na? Minus x minus a. So u is silent. Derivative of x minus b. Okay, na? So u by v formula. See, u by v formula is first denominator square, denominator silent, u dash minus u and v dash. Okay, v dash means derivative. Same I'll write v is denominator square. So denominator square, first denominator is silent, derivative of u minus u silent, derivative of v. Okay, na? Now write down everyone. X minus b, separate, plus minus is there means separate, derivative of x by dx minus derivative of a by dx minus x minus a, separate derivative, plus minus means separate, derivative of x, do with least x, minus derivative of b, do with x. Okay, na? U by v formula by denominator square. So x minus b square. Okay, na? Now derivative here dx is cancelled. Constant derivative is 0. Here also dx is cancelled. B constant derivative is 0. X minus b. Okay, na? Here is the 1. Constant derivative is 0 minus x minus a. Here is, so 1. Constant b derivative is 0 by x minus b whole square. By x minus b whole square. Okay, na? X minus b whole square. Next, multiply x minus b into 1 is, x minus b into 1 is the x minus b. Okay, na? Next, x minus b into 0 is the 0. Replace 1 minus x minus a into 1 is x minus a. X minus a into 0 is the 0. By denominator is x minus b whole square. Okay, na? X minus b whole square. By the multiplication, x minus b minus x plus a by denominator is x minus b whole square. X minus b whole square. Okay, na? X minus b whole square. Is it clear, everyone? Minus x plus x is cancelled. What is the remaining is plus a minus b plus a minus b by denominator is x minus b whole square. X minus b whole square. Okay, na? Everyone noted na? I am going to erase this one. I am send the recording also, everyone. Okay, na? Right. Noting is complete and everyone. Right. So seventh problem, third bit also I will explain once again. One charting is came. Did not erase, take new side. Array, why you are giving the I send na? Right. Right. Eighth problem. Everyone see the eighth problem. Everyone come to the eighth problem. Eighth problem C. No, God, sir. Yes. Right. See the eighth problem. Okay, na? Eighth problem. Find the derivative of, derivative means d, of means bracket, x power of n minus a power of n by x by x minus a, x minus a. Find the derivative of means bracket of function, do with small x. Okay, na? Now what is the formula? See, everyone, derivative of u by v formula, One time recollect u by v formula is, so denominator square first. So denominator silent u dash minus u silent v dash is the formula. Dash means derivative. Using this formula, everyone write down first denominator square x minus a whole square. Okay, na? X minus a whole square. X minus a silent, denominator is the silent. Next, derivative of u is x power of n minus a power of n minus u is silent x power of n minus a power of n silent derivative of v, that is the x minus a, that is the x minus a, right? Now x minus a under bracket. Next, derivative of plus minus is given. Separate derivative. Derivative of x power of n by dx minus derivative of a power of n, bracket close, separating the derivative, minus, so x power of n minus a power of n, separate derivative dx by dx minus derivative of a, minus derivative of a, right, dx, okay na, by denominator square x minus a whole square, x minus a whole square, okay na, right? Everyone see that x minus a, note down everyone. X power of n formula is n into x power of n minus 1. A is the constant. Constant derivative is 0. Already do derivative with x only. A is not a x, therefore constant. Constant derivative, only x terms only derivative. X terms only derivative. Okay, na? Right, minus x power of n minus a power of n. Here dx is cancelled. What is the 1? A is the constant. Upper is the a, downside doing is the x. No x upper side. Therefore, a is a constant. Derivative is 0. By denominator is x minus a whole square. X minus a whole square. Okay, na? Right. Now, x minus a into x power of n into x power of n minus 1 minus x power of n minus a power of n. Only 10 minutes is there. A power of n. Okay, na? By denominator is x minus a whole square. X minus a whole square. Okay, na? Right. Simplification we can do. Multiply with this term, multiply with x. This term multiply with x. That is n into x into x power of n minus 1 minus a into n into x power of n minus 1 minus x power of n, minus minus is the plus, a power of n by denominator is x minus a whole square. Okay, na? Bases are equal, power should be added. Bases are equal, power should be added. N into x power of n minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 is cancelled, x power of n minus a into n into x power of n minus 1 minus x power of n plus a power of n by denominator is x minus a whole square. Okay, na? So further in textbook, they will do the simplification. So n x power of n is common and writing the simplification, no need, leave it. Okay, na? Clear na everyone? Everyone observe, clear na? Any doubt in this one? No doubt na? No doubt. Understood, sir. Very good. Clear, sir. Okay.
No doubt, sir.
Okay. Noting is clearer. Noting also clearer.
Noting, sir.
Note. Note. I am waiting for your noting only. I am waiting.
Now completed, sir. Noting.
I will go next page also, but why I am not using the next pages means number of pages we can use means it will become as a problem. So that's why I am erasing overall. Okay. Okay, na? Not noting candidates, note down fast. Not noting candidate fast, you have to note down. I am erasing slowly. Over, sir. Okay, very good. Okay. Tomorrow, next page is going system. One time I will see. I move page, next page, that method only I will follow. But today I am practicing, that's why. Okay, na? Okay. Everyone in mood only. Right. See the 8th problem completed. Everyone see the 9th problem. Everyone see 9th problem. Find the derivative of 9th problem first bit. Everyone observe 9th problem first bit. Find the derivative means D. Derivative of means bracket. What is the given is 2x minus 3 by 4. Okay, na? Do with least x. Here upper side x is not a least. It is multiply 2 and adding by minus 3 by 4, not a least. So again chain rule will come. Okay, na? Right. Again, not a least x upside means chain rule will come. X is multiplied by 2 means greater. So 2 number is greater than 1 number. Okay, na? And it is subtracted by 3 by 4. Again, adding or subtracting also greater number. Okay, na? Right. Everyone see. First, I will separate. Everyone see derivative of 2x. Why I am separating means? Why I am separating means plus minus is there. We should separate d by dx of 3 by 4. Okay, na? Right. Next one. 2 is the coefficient come outside. 2 is the outside. Already 2 is come outside. X will become as a least. No need to chain rule. 2 comes outside. X will become as a least. No need to chain rule. Derivative of constant is 0. Okay, na? Here dx is cancelled. What is the remaining answer is 2. Okay, clear everyone? Okay, na? Second bit.
Okay, sir.
Everyone see the second bit. Everyone see the second bit. Sir, I took screenshot. Why I will send record na? Why you are taking the screenshot? Second bit, see everyone. Derivative symbol is D, of means bracket. Given function is 5x cube. See the 5x cube plus 3x minus 1 bracket Again, one more term is there, x minus 1, x minus 1 total bracket derivative of with least x only. Now it is in the form of, so everyone see, d by dx of u into v. That method also we can use, or multiplication we can use, we can do. Any method we can do. U silent, v dash means derivative, v silent, u dash means u derivative. This formula or x minus 1 multiply with 5x cube plus 3x minus 1 and then separating, you can write any method we can do. Okay, na? I will do u into v formula, 5x cube plus 3x minus 1 is silent. U is silent into derivative of v. What is the v place is x minus 1 minus second tip x minus v is silent. V place is x minus 1 is the silent derivative of u. U place is the 5x cube plus 3x minus 1. Okay, na? Right.
Sir, plus u, v u dash no, sir.
U, first one U, V dash. First one is the, understood, sir. First one is the U is the same. V dash is the, dash means derivative. Derivative of
Sir,
V
middle,
place.
sir, middle plus will come, sir.
Huh? Yes.
Middle
plus. Yes. Right. Now write down the 5x cube, right? 5x cube plus 3x minus 1. Okay. Plus minus is a separate derivative, dx by dx minus derivative of 1. So with the dx, 1 is the constant, derivative is the 0, x minus 1. Okay, na? Plus minus is a separate, 5 coefficient outside, derivative of x cube with least x, 3 coefficient outside, derivative of x with dx, 1 constant, derivative is 0. 1 constant, derivative is 0. Okay, na? Right, now write down 5x cube plus 3x minus 1, dx is cancel. What is the value is 1. Okay, na? 1, 0. 1 is the negligible, leave it. Okay, na? 1 minus 0 is the 1. X minus 1. Okay, na? X minus 1. X minus 1. Next, 5 coefficient. X cube derivative is the 3 comes out before and power decreased by 1. Right. 3x square plus 3 dx cancel 1 and 1.